ito muna ang ating content. So bumili na ako ng kanyang fittings, yung inverted fittings guys. To bumili tayo, isa lang kailangan ko, but syempre gusto ko palagi may reserba para just in case na may masiraan, madali magpalit. Saka yung pandugtong dun sa tubo, ito po. Saka bumili na rin tayo ng copper tube kasi nga magdudugtong tayo. Samahan nyo po guys, gagawin natin yung ating preno. Let's go. First, marami tayong sobra guys, and also the copper tube, marami sobra, but we gonna use this to the other car also, and there's a broken one, so magagamit pa natin to guys. Ayaw kasi yung pabalik-balik sa shop eh. Sira-sira na po, so we have to remove this and to clean it. Tsaka yung rotor disc po natin ay sira na, wala na, nag crack po ito nung pinilit ko eh. May crack po siya dito, hindi ko lang makikita, nag crack siya kanina habang pinupull out ko. So bibili tayo nyan guys ng rotor disc. So what's up guys, Pishalago Vlogs, good morning. So it was our free day today, so we gonna continue fixing our car. Last time I removed the brake. Last time we fixed this one guys, so the broken one, it have a leak here before, and now it was fixed. And I tried to clean the disc pad and the handbrake shoe, but it was all rotten, it was all rusty, so I decided to change new one. I buy a new one, so this is the new one now guys. See, it's brand new since it was our free day, so we're gonna put it now. And this is the new handbrake shoe and our new disc pad also. Kaya po natin pinalitan eh, because it was so rusty, so I think for me it's too bad, this one guys. So you see, and also the other side, it's not good. I can clean it, but for me I don't like it anymore. See guys, hindi na siya pantay, may malalim siya, may ano. So we're gonna change it. So samahan niyo pa ako. Bala ko rin putulin kasi to guys. Kagaya doon sa kabila, puputulin ko hanggang dito kasi dito medyo bulok na yan guys eh. Baka bumutas din, so putulin na rin natin, lagyan na rin natin ng bago dito kasi ito may kalawang eh. There's a little bit rusty. So kapit muna natin to guys. Alright. Alright. Yan guys. Tapos isang spring pa. Last but not the least. So ilalagay na natin. Medyo malamig pa rin ang panahon guys. Spring pa lang kasi guys eh. Yun oh. Okay na guys. Alright. Natin ko kumapit. Okay. Dito naman sa kabila guys. Ito naman. Pad. Okay. Itong caliper. Alright. Puputulin natin. Ayoko na kasi antayin pang mabutas siya. So, meron naman tayong pamalit. So, we're gonna change this one. Hanggang dito lang kasi itong medyo rusty. Baka bumitaw. So, we'll just change it. Okay. Alright. Lagay natin to. Tapos yung sing-sing niyang bago. Ito, yun. So, ito naman guys. Ay, babaluktutin natin pag ganyan. Yan guys, mahigpit na. Alright, tigas. Papatulong tayo kay Mami Shani.
Bomba.
So, ang bombahan mo lang yung brake. Kasi bibleed natin eh.
Sa gitna.
Yung gitna yan. Pag sabi kong bomba, bomba, di ba?
Okay.
Pag sabi kong stop,
Stop.
nakadiin ka lang. Oh,
Okay.
tapos i-release ko sa yung bleeder screw.
Release ko din.
Hindi, ako muna. Mali yun. Okay, pag sabi kong stop, nakaapak ka lang. Pag sabi kong permis lang kang nakaapak, i-release ko yung bleeder screw, lulubog yan. Pero pag lumubog yan, sabayan mo rin ng apak na...
Bomba.
Oh, hindi, isang apak, ididiin mo lang kung hanggang saan siya.
Sige,
Oo.
sige.
Ha? Okay, permis. Naka-permis na? Okay. Sa kabila naman tayo, guys. Permis. Okay. So, na-bleed na natin, hindi umaandar, guys. Bi-bleed naman natin ng umaandar. Permis. Okay. Bomba. Oh, bitaw. Bitaw, okay. Permis. Okay. Okay, bitaw. Ayan guys. nalagay na natin yung ating rotor disc pad, tsaka yung bagong handbrake shoe nya magkabilaan guys. Yan, bagong bago na. So ilalagay na lang natin yung gulong and then road test po tayo mamaya guys. Tapos ito yung mga pinalitan natin. Yan guys, oh, dalawang rotor disc, yung brake shoe, yung disc pad nya. Yan. Para sa sunod, ito naman yung lalaterohin natin, yung fender, kasi baka hindi ipasa sa insurance to eh. So kailangan natin kalikutin. Hindi naman natin kailangan maganda, kailangan lang natin magamit yung sasakyan. So yan guys, nakabit na natin. Mamaya po ay magro-road test tayo. So maliligo lang tayo, kain, and then road test. And then after that, ito na pong gagawin natin. Itong bulok nya, kasi kailangan natin magawa to para pumasa sa inspection. So kung nagustuhan nyo po ang aking vlog, just don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell para po sa susunod na vlog ay makikita nyo pa po ang susunod na gagawin ko. So abangan nyo po itong aking paggawa dito sa ating fender. Thank you po.
Thank you for watching, guys.